Welcome back, YT family. Glad to have you back, cousins. I decided to switch up my background for y'all and give you guys a different vibe for this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Triple B, and currently my channel offers videos that will help you save time, save money, or simply help you level up on some good to know knowledge, sprinkled with what's trending for your entertainment. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys my 5 tips my grandmother shared with me to ensure that your credit card is working for you. So yes, I am sharing some secrets from my very own grandmother. So I told you guys you are my family, okay? All right? So a special thanks and a special shout out to my lovely grandmother for making this video possible. Without any more delay, let's go right into these 5 tips. Number 1, try your very best to avoid making the minimum payment only. Although making the minimum payment is better than no payment at all, it's best for your pockets in the long run to avoid paying additional interest fees, which in turn help you pay off the balance much quicker. This tip actually helps with your car note as well as your mortgage. I literally seen someone have a 30-year mortgage and pay it off in 15 years. So trust me when I say, if your pockets allow, just put a little bit of extra in what you normally would. Number 2, late fees. If you are faced with hard times like we all have, do not, I repeat, do not avoid that credit card company. That was a lie. I ain't got no people money. Most of the time, if not all the time, they are willing to work with you. Whether it's waiving that late fee that you already have or giving you a payment extension that will allow you to have more time to pay that balance. Ladies and fellas, we want the person, whoever we dating, to have communication. Your credit card companies want that same respect, okay? They giving you their money, all right? All right, work with them. Work with them. The next one is my favorite tip, okay? Like, I just love this tip. All right, let me just get it. Number 3, paying off or making that payment right before closing date, and any charges that you need to make it right after your closing date. Let me break it down to you guys, okay? I know it's probably sound confusing. Making that payment right before your closing date or paying off your credit card right before that closing date reduces your total balance right before they report to your credit report, which in turn lowers your credit card usage, which is also a good look for your credit score. I forgot to mention, your payment date and your due date are like 2 different dates, so yeah, make sure you know both. And making a charge that you need to make on your credit card right after your closing date, oh my God, you ready? You ready? It's gonna give you an extra month to pay that item off. So I break it down to you. So say your closing date is on the 15th and you make that purchase on the 16th. On the next credit card statement, it will not be on there. It's going to be there on the next one after that. So in reality, you are giving yourself an extra month to pay off whatever you just charged. You will get 2 months instead of the 1. So you are giving yourself more time to pay whatever you just charged off. Number 4, try your very best to avoid credit cards that holds interest. Try to apply for credit cards that are interest-free, or at least interest-free for a year. I shouldn't have to really explain the number 4 one too much, as you know, if you do not have interest, you are paying less money. So if you charge something for $10, you are paying $10 at the end of that statement. You are not paying $10 plus interest. And number 5, my last tip. If you have a credit card or apply for a credit card that has an annual fee, call your creditors and try to see if you can get that waived. No matter how long you have that credit card, every year when you see that annual fee pop up on your statement, give that credit card company a call. Try to get it waived, or in most cases they will take some money off. So say your annual fee is $50, sometimes they just might take $25 off, and there you have it. Instead of paying the $50, you only paying half that. So those are just 5 tips that help me boost my credit score quickly, and also ensuring that my credit cards are working for me. These will help you pay off your balances way more efficiently and way more quicker. In my opinion, in most situations, credit scores hold more weight than the money in your pocket. When you go to purchase that brand new car, or when you go to purchase your home, the good credit score, they're going to require less money down or no money down, and also little to no interest to that loan that you are trying to get, that you need to purchase your home or your vehicle. Yeah, this was just a quick video to put y'all on game of what my grandma taught me. I do apply these 5 tips to my very own life. I also ensure that my husband does as well, because I'm in the market for a new house, so I am working extremely hard to make sure both our credit scores are up to par and working for us. So I hope you learned something in this video, and most importantly, I hope that you apply it to your own situation to make sure that credit score is up to par, just like we make sure everything else is on point. So until then, you guys, you already know the world is yours.